Here's some more of the beautiful features with the faces. You have the eagles. And the thing I really like is the little figurehead. And there's a little creature on top with feathers. You can see there above the helmeted guy. Here's a close-up, the one right here. And we've cleaned to that point too. You can see some of the beautiful green, the yellows. And here's the 3 niches that we're going to restore the lighting on. And more cleaning to do. And we'll take a look at some of the moss and some of the ferns growing over here by the sign as we continue on down by the marquee. View of the niches and some of the figures over here that have some interesting detail as well.